We're going on a family hike with both kids and the dog, so let's see how far we make it.
We've been up here a lot of times.
How far do you think we're gonna make it up before we're carrying the girls?
A few moments later.
Say hi.
Hi.
I heard you can't breathe. Are we climbing a mountain?
Yeah.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Nene! 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 Nene!
Minnie, come here. Good job. No, we're just walking. You got it, Dad. Look at that ass. What? What was that? Maddie,
Nene!
Maddie, you good?
Nene!
We're almost there.
That's it! Whoa!
Well, hold my hand. Yep.
Let's go! Let's go! Can Mom have a hug? Thank you.
Dad!
The truck! I know I'm that excited too. I'm